Verse 4:6 is a repetition of verse 3:20. अजातस्य धर्मस्य जातिम इच्छन्ति वादिना अजातो हि अमृतो धर्मो मर्त्यताम कथम इष्यति. The dualists contend that the ever-unborn changeless Brahman undergoes a change. How could an entity which is changeless and immortal partake of the nature of mortal? The one which is verily birthless, which is by nature immortal, if that self be born as they held, will go to mortality for a certainty. The idea is that it will in no way reverse its nature to embrace mortality. Verse 7:8 is repetition of verse 3:21-22. No bhavati amritam martyam, no martyam amritam tatha, pratished अन्यथा bhavo, no kathachit bhavishyati. The immortal cannot become mortal, nor the mortal ever become immortal, or it is never possible for a thing to change its nature. Swabhave amritasya dharmo gacchati matata, ken amritasya tham asthasate nichala. How can an immortal entity continue to be changeless when it passes into transmigration? It is meaningless to hold that before creation it was immortal and after creation it has become mortal. Hence, those who hold that the self passes into birth or undergoes a change cannot speak the Brahman as birthless. Everything according to them must be mortal, hence liberation cannot be there. Verse 4:9 says, संसिद्धि स्वभाव की सहजा और कृताचया प्रकृति सेति विज्ञेया स्वभावम न जहातिया. By the word nature of a thing is to be understood that which is permanently acquired or is intrinsic, instinctive, non-produced or unchanging in its character. Complete attainment of anything, such as occult power attained by the successful yogi, is sansiddhiki. Swabhaviki or intrinsic is the nature of things, such as heat or light of fire. Sahaja or instinctive is born with oneself, such as flying of birds. Ya or kita is not produced by anything, such as tendency of water to flow down. Yan or jahati swabhavam is that does not change its character. Verse 4:10 says, Jara maran nirmukta sarve dharma subhavta jara maranam ittantas chiyavante tan manisya. All jivas are, by their very nature, free from old age and death. They think, as it were, that they are subject to old age and death, and thus, by this very thought, they appear to deviate from their very nature. योग वशिष्ठार्थ 7:8 says, Bhavanam atlam taktva yan mayas tan mayo bhava. Giving up all worldly thoughts, become as you are, or get established in your true nature, which is free from old age and death.